Welcome to the QuickBooks series of data integration tutorials, where we show you how to automatically export data from your favorite apps. Hi, I'm Piotr from QuickBooks. Today, I will show you how to set up a QuickBooks to BigQuery integration. Don't miss out on any of our data integration tutorials. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to be the first to know about the new videos. Before we begin, create a free QuickBooks account. No card is required. Alternatively, sign in if you already have a QuickBooks account. And now onto our QuickBooks to BigQuery importer. Click the Add Importer button. With QuickBooks, you can import individual data entities from QuickBooks or fetch entire reports. I will be importing the former, so I select QuickBooks as my source. The available destinations include Google Sheets, Microsoft Excel, and BigQuery. Let's go with BigQuery. Then press Proceed. For starters, name the importer. I will go by the name Cash Purchases. Now, I need to connect my QuickBooks account. Press Connect. If you have more than one company added to your account, select the one you want to import the data for. Press Next. On the next screen, press Connect. Back in QuickBooks, press Continue. There are many entities I can export from QuickBooks to BigQuery. I'm interested in fetching my purchases, so I choose this category from the drop-down list. Click Continue. The following three fields are optional, but I would like to narrow down the results. I'm interested in cash purchases, so I add the following filter: Payment Type equals Cash. I skip the rest of the fields and click Continue. Now it's time to set up a destination. To be able to import the data to BigQuery, I need to add and authorize a new destination account. To do that, I will generate a key file in JSON format. Here is how to get it. Go to the Google Cloud Platform console. In the navigation menu on the left-hand side, select I am an admin and then Service Accounts. Click Create Service Account at the top. Enter the service account name and then click Create and Continue. Add roles BigQuery Data Editor and BigQuery Job User. Click Continue and then Done. Click on the three dots next to your service account and choose Manage Keys. Press Add Key and select Create New Key. Choose JSON type and press Create. The file will be saved to your computer. Now, go back to the QuickBooks configuration and select the file you just saved. Click Save and then Continue. I've just connected my BigQuery account. Now, it's time to specify the dataset and table to which I will import my data. You can copy the names from your BigQuery dashboard, or, if you prefer, just type in the names and QuickBooks will create the respective dataset and table for you. Afterwards, press Continue. The following sections are optional, and I will skip them. Click Continue. Here, I will set up a schedule for an automatic data refresh. Switch the toggle on. I want to pull the data from QuickBooks to BigQuery every morning, Monday to Sunday. I'm changing the interval to every day and adding Saturday and Sunday. The time preference and the time zone work for me, so I don't need to change anything here. The final step is to click the Save and Run button. While we're waiting for the importer to finish, please like this video and share it with others if you found it useful. My importer has now finished running, so I can click the View Results button. And here's the preview of my QuickBooks data. Set up your QuickBooks to BigQuery integration in just 5 minutes. With no coding skills required, QuickBooks has got you covered. Thanks for watching. Check out our other tutorials in this playlist. If you have any questions, feel free to contact our support. Thanks.